Yes, guys, you seen that setup? You know what we're doing today? You have a clue? You don't know, so I'm going to tell you. So today we will be doing some breadfruit tostones along with some chicken lollipop, and the sauce for today is spicy chili. Yes, guys, we'll be using the spicy chili sauce. I know you've seen us use the melon sauce already. Go over to King and Ali, check out that video. We've used the pineapple sauce already and much more to come, so just drop it down in the comment section and tell us the sauce that you want to see us use. Right, so we're just going to fry the breadfruit first, and then we'll come back with the seasoning up and deal with the meat part of it. So let's go.
Yes, guys, you see the pot at the right temperature and heat it properly. So now we're going to submerge the breadfruit in the oil.
Yes, guys, you don't know, coming along with the big bad breadfruit tostones. Yes, guys, and drop it down in the comment section and let us know if you've heard of breadfruit tostones before, or if you've ever tried it before. Right, beautiful. And we're going to fry these until they're golden brown on each side. Right, so that's about a 3 to 5 minutes time frame. So it's so forward. Yes, guys, so it's that time and we are down to the final. Look at that, nice and golden on each side. That's how we want it. So let's go where we'll do the seasoning up of the meat and all that good stuff. So let's go.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so we are onto the chicken lollipops and we're going to season this. And I know you guys are not only seeing chicken lollipops, you're seeing some wings in there. Yes, so we're doing so we're doing 2 order in one, guys. So lightly season with some salt and pepper, and you know Chef Reid, season from high so it's evenly
spread.
All right,
that's about it. So we're gonna rub out this now, get it all in there. As the Chef Alexander would say, make everything incorporate.
Yes, guys,
so you want to see what I want, so
on to the frying. So let's go.
Yes, guys, so a 3 simple step.
Yes,
season the chicken, butter, hot oil.
Yes,
so
guys,
I'm gonna show you what I want now.
So with the seasoned chicken in the butter, and you want this to be properly coated, guys. You see how I'm using that spinning technique to get it all in there. Rub it up in the butter. Talk to them now, Chef.
Yeah, guys, so that's what I want right now. So shall I submerge this in the oil? So
yes,
watch what
guys, want it to be properly coated. Drain the excess
hot oil. So what I go on this one
in with the oil. Right,
nice.
and I'm just going to repeat, guys, once again, if you never catch it before. First step, the drummer lollipop, get it all up in there, guys, all up in there, everywhere.
Make sure the chicken is properly coated.
Yes, guys, properly coating.
Now we're going to submerge this in the hot oil along with the other one.
Drain the excess in that oil. Perfect.
So we know the catch it drift. So forward.
Yes, guys, so I'm just going to give these a turn. Look at that, nice and golden.
Beautiful.
And we're just going to check you guys back again when we're removing it. And guys, based on the butter that is on it, you have to keep a constant turn because you want to keep the color nice and even, right?
And the reason for that, we're not using a deep fryer, so that's the reason why we have to constantly rotate it.
Yes, so if you have a deep fryer, you just set it at the correct temperature and you're good to go.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so it's that time. Look at that, nice and even with that golden color right through, right? And we're going to place this on a paper towel to drain the excess oil, and we're going to sauce down these in that guava sauce as we showed you.
You should talk about guava, guys, spicy chili.
Yes, my mind is on guava, spicy chili. We're going to show you that just now, but we're so forward.
Yes, guys, so now we're going to add the sauce.
Yes, that spicy chili. Yes, guys, look at that. And remember, if you want these sauces that we're using, you can call this number 876-829-91. Tell them, chef.
Guys,
78.
we're going to put the number up on the screen so you can place your orders.
Yes, guys, but you will definitely know. And you can call us on Insta. You can text us on Instagram as well.
Alright guys, so now so we submerge. Yes guys, look at that.
Beautiful, right?
Kind of foggy now because the smoke from the screen. So I'm going to catch you in the back when I give this a turn. Yes guys, tell us I'm soon come back, so see me again.
Giving these some rotation in that sauce. Lovely. And guys, we have spicy chili, barbecue, jerk barbecue, melon, guava, and
pineapple.
much more to come.
Sweet
as well.
and sour jerk seasoning.
Soon.
Jerk seasoning or jerk sauce?
Jerk sauce and the seasoning coming soon, guys. So we're just going to allow this to absorb that nice spicy chili flavor, and then it's time for removal and the banger plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section soon forward.
Yes guys, it's about that time. Look at that beauty. So now we'll move over to the plating station.
Right.
So forward, drop the comments them. There's some banger comments and tell me which part of the video you enjoy. Soon forward again. The more time we tell us we're soon forward, and the most, hey, we are forward.
Yes guys, so it's that time, so start dropping them comments. Beautiful, nice and golden. Look at that. And the sauce, which was the star of the show today, is that spicy chili. Remember, follow our business Instagram. It will be on the screen along with the business number. Guys, the number is new, so I don't really know it like that, right? But I'll place it on the screen. Beautiful, look at that. Right? Yes guys, remember, let us know in the comment section which other sauce you want to see us use, and interact with us down in that comment section. So this is it, until next time. Bye foodies.
Bang bang.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?